is how to swap a jersey part 3. So we're going to click on our pen tool here and we are going to go all the way around our lettering. We are going to control click on it, hit make selection, hit OK. Now we're going to move it to our jersey. So we're going to move it here. We're going to drag and drop. So we drop it right here. We're going to move the layer to the top layer and then we are going to adjust it so it fits the jersey. We can adjust it by warping it and changing the perspective on it. And then after we've done that, we're going to zoom in here and we are going to erase parts of the outside of the lettering. You can see how the red kind of carried over with it, so we're just going to erase that, clean it up a little bit. And we're going to do that same exact process for the Nike sign, the number, as well as the lettering on the shorts. And after we've done that, we're going to merge all those layers together. So we're going to right click on that and hit merge layers, and then we're going to go to our bottom layer and we are going to erase the underneath jersey. So it just cleans it up a little bit and makes it look pretty good. As always guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I'll get right back to you.